njengaye mesathi uzama secret from uSamke ngophetheni nangu Nwengelosi naye futhi uletha awakhe ke amabhoma. Hello everyone, welcome back to Say Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the minutes from the 24th to 26th of March 2025 on Monday. No matter how hard he tries, and njengaye can't shake off a knowing instinct. Kwenzo consoles Sibongile, assuring her that their bond is stronger than any moment of doubt on Tuesday. Just when Samke thinks he has an upper hand over Phetheni, njengaye makes a U-turn and give her a chilling warning to stay away from his wife and family. Someone continues to be a menace in the Mbambo home, but a business idea from the government gives him hope on Wednesday. Nwengelosi reveals another earth-shattering secret to Njengaye. A newspaper article causes problems for Sibongile and Nkwenzo. Vuma struggled to keep his house in order. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.